Jay, thank you so much for coming in today and to do this testimonial for us.
Thank you.
Thank you. So what made you decide to come to our practice?
My wife Karen and I moved here about 5 years ago, and when we got here, we did not have a personal referral to a dentist, so we went online and looked for dental offices that were close to where we live. Affinity Smiles Dental was one of the closest, but as you said, there were several in this area.
Yeah.
So we looked a little deeper into the information that was available online, and what set this office apart were the glowing recommendations from patients. There were a number of testimonials there, and we thought, well, it's very close to us, it's convenient, let's go over there and give it a try. We had no personal referrals, didn't know you at all, but we just decided that we would come to this office, and we've never gone anywhere else since.
Thank you. So did your wife come here first, or you did?
I don't recall. If I had to guess, I would say that I did, but we both came here pretty soon after we moved here. As it happened, we had not had dental care for several months, the better part of a year, because we'd been in a transition, moving.
Yeah.
And so we knew we needed to go to the dentist. So both of us came and got examinations. You examined us and came up with treatment plans for each of us. And in my case, the first thing you did was a deep cleaning of me, which I needed, and then you put me on a 4-month recall plan for cleaning. And you did the same for Karen, and we went from there. So in the 5 years that we've been coming here, you've done a wide variety of services.
Yes, we did.
For Karen and me. You've done everything from routine exams and cleanings to replacing fillings in cavities, to installing crowns. I had a cracked tooth one time and came in here on an emergency basis. You took care of that. In my case, about a year ago, I had the bone in the lower left corner of my mouth break through the gum, and so you had to shave down the bone.
Yeah.
And then restore the gum. You did that. Karen needed orthodontic work, and you took care of that, supervised all of that for I think about 3 years, and it went beautifully, straightened out her front teeth, made them even more beautiful than they were before. And so we've been in your very capable hands with every aspect of our dental care since we moved here.
Yeah. So as we know that most patients are apprehensive of dentistry in general, right? So can you talk a little bit about your experience here?
Yes, that is an excellent point. I don't know of anyone who enjoys going to the dentist. It's just not, it's one of those things in life that you have to do, but it's not really something you look forward to. But I can honestly say I actually look forward to coming here for my checkups and my teeth cleaning, my oral exams. And the reason is that you and Dr. Doe have such a knack for putting your patients at ease. And that is what impressed Karen and me first and foremost about you. We could tell right away that you were very technically competent in your field, that you had a very thorough mastery of all aspects of dentistry, and that you were indeed eager to maintain that, eager to learn more. So that came across right away, but more than that, you exude a concern and a care for your patients that really comes across to the patient. We've had a lot of dentists in our lives, we've had some good ones, but we've never encountered anyone who puts us at ease the way that you were able to do, and Dr. Doe as well, but we've worked principally with you so we know you a little bit better. But you show the utmost concern for your patients' care and comfort in the chair. And also, it's very clear that your standard, the standard at which you hold yourself, is perfection. When you were fitting me for, I think it was when you were fitting me for a mouth guard, and you had me biting on the little pieces of paper, and you would ask me how it was, and I would say it's good, it's fine. You would say, good is not good enough, Jay. We're looking for perfect. And so you went the extra mile to get it. Not just good enough, but perfect. And it's been that way for Karen and for me. And she and I have talked about this. You have a great way of being serious when you're doing your work, and it's very clear that you are serious, you're concentrating fully, the utmost attention to detail, and yet you show this energy and enthusiasm and this great sense of humor at the same time, and that is not an easy blend. So all of this adds up to exemplary professionalism, so that when I come here, I do look forward to it, because I know that my dental care is in the best possible hands, but I also look forward to it because it's a visit with a good friend periodically. And so I appreciate that so much, and Karen does as well. So that's really been our experience, and I would recommend you and Dr. Doe and your fine staff, who are always so friendly and welcoming and good at what they do. I would recommend all of you to anyone, any family, any person seeking dental care.
Wow, Jay, thank you so much. I don't know what to say, but I'm actually very happy, very pleased to have you and Karen as patients here. And thank you so much for this testimonial.
Well, you're very welcome, Dr. Ho.
Thank you so much.
Thank you for your excellent care. We appreciate it.
Thank you.